how to log in to Google Drive account. So if you want to log into your Google Drive account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And you need to go for the upper right, which has that Google Apps icon. Click on Google Apps and then go for Drive. Or you can simply go and search for drive.com on your browser or on your Google. And here you can choose your saved account, but you can also choose another account. Click on use another account, and here you need to enter your email address. And once you've entered that, click on next. And here you need to enter your password. So simply enter your password. But if you forgot your password, go for forgot password and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And after that, click on next and click on not now. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Google Drive account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.